to share some strategies for creating workbooks, journals, and response-based content in just about 5 minutes. These are incredibly popular and they can range from simple printables, like a single page, to complete books. They're often based on a particular topic, or they might even be piggybacking off of a specific book. But they are a great way to extend your reach and to have people respond more to your content and to actually get more subscribers and more readers. And a lot of times people get hung up on these because they think that they need to create them from scratch. And unless you're a designer, that can be complicated. So there are some shortcuts that you can use, and you can create templates, download done-for-you resources, and even use software. So the first way to do this is to create templates. Now, most workbook and journal type content is created in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, or some people even use InDesign if you're more of a designer. But what's great is PowerPoint and Word actually allow you to create templates that you can reuse easily in other projects. So if you are planning to use any of these type of software tools, you should create templates that you can reuse over and over again. And one of my favorite ways too is to download done-for-you resources. There has been a huge surge of providers creating very high quality planners, journals, and workbooks. Again, these are often in PowerPoint, which is probably the most popular, but also Word. And they basically allow you to take them and make some edits, and then you can use them and put them together for your own audience. And method 3 is using helpful software. You can use software to create workbooks and journal content in about 5 minutes or less. This is a great option, and you can even use it in combination with other types of things like done-for-you templates and things like that. So you can see here, this is a screenshot from Q Content Composer. This is my software tool that has a variety of prompt-based questions and prompts that people can respond to. So the way this works is you go ahead and choose your category, and each category has some subcategories. And so if you are in, for example, the self-help niche, you might choose something out of the self-reflection, the emotions, or the life events. And you can find something that would fit your niche and your sub-niche. Once you've put that together, then you go ahead and you pick your settings for your output. So you can have a specific font, you can have a specific number of prompts per page, and you can even include writing lines after each prompt. Then you go ahead and you actually select your questions. You can also upload your own questions and do bulk upload with that as well if you want to. And then you just download it. You can download it in PDF, in Word, or PowerPoint, and you will have pretty much a complete workbook or journal or printable. Now, if you're doing a full book, you may want to add your front and back matter and put that together once you have the main content, but this is going to give you all of the prompt-based content. So if you want to check this out more, I'll be including the link to this in the description, and it's great for creating worksheets, workbooks, journals, printables, things along those lines.